In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion in 30 seconds. Let's dive right in and get you started on your Notion journey seamlessly. First, to create a page, go ahead and click on the plus new page button located in the sidebar. This is where your Notion experience begins, acting as a blank canvas for your ideas, tasks, or any type of content you have in mind. Once you've clicked that button, you'll find yourself with a new page ready for your input. Now, when it comes to filling up your page, it's important to know that Notion pages are composed of various blocks, giving you flexibility and freedom in how you organize your content. Whether you want to jot down notes, create a checklist, or make a beautiful layout, you'll find the block system truly versatile. Simply click anywhere on the page and start typing. This feature allows you to directly input your thoughts, keeping your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. For instance, if you begin typing textual information, Notion immediately understands and accommodates by creating a text block. This intuitive response allows you to focus more on content creation rather than formatting details. To make your usage even more dynamic, consider harnessing the power of the / command, a handy shortcut for adding different types of blocks to your page swiftly. By typing the / symbol, you'll open up a command menu that lets you easily integrate diverse elements into your page. For example, typing a / followed by table will quickly let you create a database. Databases are an incredibly powerful feature within Notion that allow you to organize, sort, and manage information in a way that fits your needs. Whether you're tracking a project, managing contacts, or planning a schedule, databases can be tailored to your specific requirements, enhancing your productivity. And there you have it. With these simple actions, you're set to navigate Notion's dynamic platform, harnessing its capabilities to craft pages that best support your projects and personal organization needs. Remember, as you continue exploring Notion, let your creativity lead the way. The platform is designed to be an adaptable and powerful tool for nearly every task imaginable, so don't hesitate to experiment with different block types and database structures until you find what works best for you. Thank you for joining me in this brief walkthrough. I hope this gives you a head start on maximizing your Notion experience. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how you can make the most out of your digital environments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Happy Notioning!